from a wrong-way driver and a stolen car leading the Florida Highway Patrol on a high-speed chase, to Michigan State Police pursuing a carjacking suspect in northern Michigan, and the shocking end to an FHP chase of a drunk driver in Collier County, Florida, and much more. Here are some of the most unbelievable police dash cam moments caught on camera. After passing through a toll booth, a police patrol requested a vehicle to stop as they found it had an expired registration through the license plate. An officer approached and began the inspection. The driver failed to produce the required documents and immediately fled the scene. The alarm was activated. And the police issued repeated stop orders to the driver, but everything became futile as the suspect obstinately evaded at high speed. Multiple pit maneuvers were attempted but were unsuccessful. The red car swerved while changing lanes without signaling. After the suspect switched lanes to the left, the police continued intervention attempts, and this time the driver fled in the opposite direction. The pursuit became extremely challenging until the police forced the third successful pit intervention, concluding the chase. The driver turned out to be a woman. She appeared to be a professional driver, but that did not exempt her from the legal consequences. The woman was then taken into the police car with handcuffs. She seemed intoxicated before driving, and subsequent tests confirmed that.
Office. What would
On June 18, 2021, the Florida Highway Patrol received a report about a wrong-way driver on Interstate 75 near mile marker 429. They promptly deployed a trooper team to handle the situation. The driver was identified as Resh Buckmaster, operating a stolen black Kia sedan, traveling south in the northbound lane. troopers were alerted by various sources, including the Columbia County Sheriff's Office and the Regional Communications Center.
You're on the shoulder now. We'll be slow down to the pit, dude. Slow down to them. Guys, on the shoulder. 120 plus.
FHP activated lights and sirens, but the driver did not comply. The vehicle continued to move and accelerated, leading to a dangerous pursuit through other traffic. The vehicle nearly lost control, swerving into the shoulder area, dangerously changing lanes. Law enforcement closed in on the vehicle to signal a stop, but the driver still did not comply. The pursuit continued to a gas station, where the suspect suddenly exited the vehicle and fled on foot. He attempted to carjack another vehicle at the gas station, but was unsuccessful. The suspect was apprehended by the police shortly after. During the arrest, the police discovered a gun behind the suspect's belt as he tried to open the door of a Jeep Cherokee. The county sheriff of Hamilton County deployed a perimeter and found a loaded firearm. Resh Buckmaster was arrested and faced multiple charges. After completing their patrol mission on the highway, the patrol team identified a silver car moving at a high speed. The daring driver was overtaking other vehicles at speeds approaching 100 miles per hour, nearly colliding with others on the road. As the police approached, the driver continued to accelerate with no intention of stopping. The perilous pursuit unfolded for about 20 miles until the silver car came dangerously close to colliding with a truck and a green car on the road. Immediate intervention tactics were planned but proved unsuccessful due to the heavy traffic.
Get attempt 1 unsuccessful. Get attempt 1 on the 684. We're going Georgia 20 south. Georgia 20 south.
The patrol team attempted to approach for a second intervention. The rescue team arrived and blocked the front of the car at a stopping point. With no escape route, the driver stepped out of the car and submitted to arrest.
Hey, listen. On the floor. Get on the floor. Don't move. You hear me? Hey, you. Keep your hands up. Get on the floor. Get on the floor. Roll to your side. Knees up. Knees
A
up.
passenger in the back seat was also apprehended. The pursuit concluded without any injuries to anyone involved.
Oh, I bet he got the chance!
A police chase unfolded between law enforcement and a 27-year-old man from Alma. According to the police, the incident originated when the suspect attempted to carjack a vehicle at a gas station in the southern part of Otsego County. The driver, licensed to carry a concealed weapon, brandished a gun, prompting the suspect to flee. The suspect then found an unlocked pickup truck in a parking lot with the keys inside and drove away.
It is down to 1 lane, correct? Yeah, he's going to have to make a decision right now. If he goes right, he's got to exit. If he goes left, he'll get into construction. Clear right here at the end of it. So, heading to R6, he's going to go off the road. Construction, we're headed to you. Central past the Blaring Road right now, northbound.
Police deployed stop sticks in an inactive construction zone near Hebron Township Hall, where representatives from the Cheboygan County Sheriff's Office joined the pursuit. The chase concluded as the trooper performed a pit maneuver, disabling the vehicle south of Mackinac City.
Hey! Open up the door! Open up the door! Yes, keep your hands up! Don't fucking move your hands! Unlock the door! Get out! Get out! Get out! Come around!
The suspect, identified as Donald Wade, was apprehended and held at the Otsego County Jail. Wade faces charges of attempted carjacking, unauthorized driving, fleeing, and eluding in Cheboygan County. The decisive actions of the police ensured the safety of the community and quelled criminal activities.
Alright. Yeah. Did he? What's up, boss?
I'm all right.
What's your name?
Were you impressed by any of the collision and pursuit scenarios in today's video? Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback will help us develop and improve our channel further. Don't forget to support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing so you won't miss out on the next interesting content. Thank you for following our channel, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.